part of the goal here is to have you feel like you're impressed with yourself when you look at your footage of you after the fact. Like, ultimately, honestly, it kind of sucks to say, but it's also awesome to say, you can never really get the validation from an audience because an audience can't see all the work. They don't understand. They don't know. They're ignorant. They don't know what they don't know. And they're muggles. And you are already not a muggle anymore. Really, this is it. It's always a practice for yourself, but some people are not prepared to take that on. You clearly are a person who understands the value and benefit of practice and what you can get from it. But not everybody does. You're playing a different level game, so you're gonna get different things out of it, but you're already going into it with, it's so much more pure to be in the practice for the purpose of the practice and the benefits the practice bring you than for some external gratification. You're internally self-referenced as opposed to externally self-validated. And those are just very different worlds. And working with people with your mindset, oh my God, it's so beautiful because you're so prepared to have a transformative experience. Whereas people who want other people to validate them, they maybe aren't really in touch with themselves as much,